Tower 1 is no longer just taking shape, it's now standing in full view. With its exterior painting now complete, Tower 1 finally reveals the modern design envisioned from the very beginning. And as Tower 1 reaches another milestone, the focus now moves to Tower 2. Painting and exterior works are now actively progressing on Tower 2 as the building continues to move closer to its final look. Flooring works also continue along the side of Tower 2, adding more detail and refinement to the surrounding areas. With every update, Aperito Tower continues transforming into a premium residential destination in Clark. Now is the best time to secure your unit before completion changes everything.